Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to upload WhatsApp status without losing quality. Open the WhatsApp application here. Now tap on the three dots in the top right corner, and as you can see there are three options in the top right corner and one of them is camera. So just tap on this camera. So in here you can either create your own video or picture or you can browse your gallery. So to browse your gallery, just tap the icon which you can find the lower left portion of your screen if your desired photo or video is not found in this area. Now select the photo or video that you want to upload. So again you will find the icons in the upper side. Now one of them is HD. Just tap on this HD. Now this prompt will appear providing you with two options. Now select HD quality. Now tap on this send button which is in the lower right corner and now select my status and now hit the send button. And that is how you upload WhatsApp status without losing quality. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.